Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about my experience on how I cracked the business analyst role after being a mechanical engineer. So we will try to cover how to prepare for fresher analytics role with an engineering background, which is a very common challenge in India. Companies like ZS Associates, EXL, Mu Sigma hired college graduates for roles like business analyst or business associate, either through campus placement or off campus. So let's get started. So, if we talk about the hiring structure, it can vary with companies, but it generally starts with a written interview round to test the candidate's aptitude skills. This is basically a process to filter a mass chunk of people. For this round preparation, useful websites can be Geek for Geeks, IndiaBix, Learn Theta, etc. Here, the main focus should be to practice a lot in a competitive manner. Second would be a case study round, where candidates get a hypothetical business case scenario and they are supposed to come back with a possible solution for that. For this segment, I have already made a few videos based on various companies, so do check out that. The last round would be a face to face interview round. This will be based on guesstimates, small business cases, or database creation if you are interviewing for a business analyst role. Please help me in the comment section if you want me to prepare separate videos on these topics. So, in this final round, the key point is to distinguish yourself from others. So, how to do that? For that, go for a few courses from Udemy or Coursera, like Introduction to Business Analytics, to understand business analysis fundamentals. These courses will help you to understand the terminology like SWOT, which is basically strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats for an industry. Funnel analysis, which is the user journey of a product, or cohort analysis, which is the understanding of user or customer segmentation for a business. Additionally, you can go through some real business cases of product based companies like Amazon, Netflix, or Uber to understand the KPIs or key performance index behind the success or failure. This will give you an edge to justify your inclination towards business analyst role to the interviewer. Lastly, I would say interviewers looking for fresher candidates, they are not expecting any prior technical knowledge like SQL, Python from you. If you are having it, that is an add on. But companies are just weighing you on how much you can brainstorm and respond efficiently within a given time period. So always try or use structured communication like a STAR approach during the interview while answering any questions. If you are able to follow these key points, you will be definitely able to stand out from rest of the population. That's all in this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. That would be really helpful for me. Thank you and we'll see you in the next one.